originate sorry.
Surprise, you guys. Got me a Phoenix, along with some microfiber pads for my Phoenix and my Odyssey, and I got a couple glad pads too for the both of them. I told them to ship it without grips because I got my own grips for it. I find to use BMX grips be a lot more comfortable. Also ordered 1 gallon of PadCap Pro concentrate. It's right there. And these things come with some very durable extension cords here. Custom painted Phoenix Cadillac gray. It's like a charcoal metallic dark gray. As you can see here, a little close up, customer requested that chrome spray, onboard spray ring, and the capacitors here, both of them, they're metallic black, custom painted. And also the pivot handle, that's also metallic black. So the whole machine's totally custom. High quality. Victoria over at Tops actually painted this machine herself. She was telling me over the phone. I want to thank you, Victoria, for doing such a great job. Paint looks outstanding. I custom requested this plate driver 2 in black and red instead of tan and red. And you see me breaking it in, because those bristles are sharp and if you don't break them in evenly flat by doing this, running on concrete, you could eat through your pads and destroy them, possibly even destroy the carpet. So this is a must here. It's very quick. It takes about 5 minutes or so. I'm testing the onboard sprayers. And this seems to be working fine. Here's a clubhouse I worked on that same week on a Saturday, giving you an example on how this tri-directional movement helps get the job done. Not only do Trinities rotate, but they randomly orbit from side to side, and they also tamp. So all that movement just there's no other better way to clean the carpet faster and efficiently. And only Trinity has this technology. There's other ones that have just random oscillating plates. But to me, I find these to be the most effective. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.